Hi everyone, this is Parul. Welcome to Bliss Yoga channel. Today I want to share with you a short yoga practice that you can do to start your day with. It's for the days when you're extremely tired, when you're short on time and you still want to practice some yoga to start your day with. You can practice this yoga sequence and feel energetic, release the tension from your body and feel more aligned with yourself. So let's start our practice for today. We're going to start this yoga practice lying down. Okay. So just lie down first comfortably on your mat and let your legs be bent, let your upper body be relaxed, okay, and just hug your knees. You can hold your knees, your shin or wherever you can comfortably hold it from. Let your lower back and tailbone relax on the mat, so you can adjust your hands accordingly. And then you gently swing side to side, releasing tension from your lower back. Breathe. You can make small circles with your knees, so you can choose to start with any direction and do 5 times both sides. So let's start with one side. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1 and change. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Okay, and then you rest your feet down. Okay, and let your left leg be bent or extended. Hug your right leg in and get your right knee closer to your body. Breathe. Very important to release the tight hip flexor. The tight hip flexor often lead to lower back stress as well. Breathe. And then you extend your right leg and release your hamstring. Now you can hold your right leg from your toes, from your ankle, from your shin or wherever you can comfortably hold it from. Let your neck and shoulders relax on the mat. And get your right leg closer to your body if you can, and breathe. And then you can also club this with ankle rotations. So move your right foot in one direction first. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1 and change. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Gently bend your right leg and bend your left leg if you've extended it. Rest your right heel on top of your left knee and lift your left foot off the mat. Reclining pigeon. Let your neck and shoulder relax on the mat. Breathe. Hugging your left leg in. Keep breathing. Make sure your tailbone, your lower back is resting on the mat. You are breathing. Releasing those tight hips early in the morning. For 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Rest your left foot back on the mat. Rest your right foot back on the mat. Now we switch side. This time hug your left leg in and your right leg can be bent or extended. Okay. Breathe. Keep getting your left leg closer to your body. Keep breathing. And then you slowly lift your left leg, extend it. You can hold it from anywhere. Let your neck and shoulders be relaxed. Get your left leg closer to your body. Breathe. Releasing those tight hamstrings. Hold it for 10, 9, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. And you can do ankle rotation here on the left side. Choose any side to start with. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1 and change. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Bend your left leg and get your right leg in if you were extending it, and let's do reclining pigeon on the left side. So resting your left heel on top of your right knee, lift your right foot off the mat, hug your right leg in, breathe. Staying here for a few seconds, continue to breathe for 10, 9, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Slowly release, rest your right foot back on the mat and get your left leg back on the mat. And from here we're going to get into spinal twist. So just do cactus arms, your legs are bent, lift both the legs up, breathe in, breathe out, taking both the legs to the right side and you're looking in the opposite direction to the left. Breathe. Releasing your lower back with spinal twist. And back to the center, breathe in, breathe out, taking both the legs to the left side and you're looking in the opposite direction to the right. Continue to breathe. And breathe in, breathe out, back to the center. And then from here, lift your feet off the mat, hug your knees and roll yourself up slowly. Okay, so take your time sitting in cross-legged position. Okay, now from here, just extend your arms like this and take your head back, breathe, chin away from your chest, lift your heart, breathe in. And then you gently get your head to neutral position, interlace your fingers, put it at the top of your neck and take your chin to the chest, elbows come in gently, stretching the back of your neck, breathe. And slowly get your head to neutral position, release your hands. Okay, now just take your arms up, interlace your fingers, give yourself a nice long stretch, breathe in. And gently release your fingers and breathe out, go forward. Okay, just go as far as your lower back allows you, releasing the tension from your spine, your lower back, breathe. Stretching your arms forward, breathe in. Breathe out, taking your weight back towards your hips. Relax your neck and shoulders. And then you slowly draw your hands in, take your arms up again, breathe in. Breathe out, twist to your right, left hand on the right knee, right hand back, draw your right shoulder back, breathe. And breathe in. Breathe out back to the center. Take your arms up, breathe in. Breathe out to your left. Right hand on the left knee. Draw your left shoulder back. Breathe. And breathe in. Breathe out back to the center. Now open your right leg to the side. You can rest your right hand maybe on your toes, your ankle or your shin. Take your left arm over your ears. Open your side body. Left palm facing down. Breathe. Staying here for a few seconds. For 10, 9, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Gently release, come out of the pose and switch side. Right leg comes in, left leg open to the side. Rest your left hand wherever you can comfortably rest it. Take your right hand over your ears. Right palm facing down. Breathe. Staying here for 10, 9, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Gently come out of the pose, release your right hand, get your left leg in and let's come on all fours now. Wrist under your shoulders, knees under your hips, knees hip width apart, wrist shoulder width apart, fingers wide open, press into your palms gently. Drop your belly, chin away from your chest, breathe in. And breathe out, round your spine, chin to the chest, looking towards your belly button. and drop your belly, chin away from your chest. Breathe in. Breathe out, round your spine, chin to the chest, looking towards your belly button. One last, breathe in, drop your belly, chin away from your chest, shoulders relaxed. Breathe out, round your spine, chin to the chest, looking towards your belly button. And slowly get your spine to neutral position, tuck your toes. Let's take our downward dog. Press into your palms, lift your knees up, hips up, push your hips back. Pushing your torso towards your thighs, and don't worry if your heels are not touching the mat. Feel free to bend your legs. Breathe. Staying here for 3 breaths. Breathe in through your nose. Breathe out through your nose. Breathe in through your nose. Breathe out through your nose. One more, breathe in and breathe out. From downward dog, we're going to get into Malasana garland pose. So get your right leg forward outside your right hand, right foot slightly out. Same thing with your left. Lower down your hips and get your hands in, pushing your knees out with your elbows. Pressing into your palms. Breathe. Opening your chest. Breathe. Really energizing to do this pose in the morning. Great for your digestion, for your hip mobility. Breathe. For 10, 9, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Slowly come out of the pose and rest your hips down, coming in Dandasana. Extend your legs forward and take your arms up. Breathe in. Spine is long. Breathe out, go forward. Releasing your hamstrings. Paschimottanasana, seated forward fold. Resting your hands wherever it reaches comfortably. Keep breathing. You can soften your knees or let your legs be bent if that's more comfortable for you. For 10, 9, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Take your arms up, breathe in. Breathe out, hands down. Okay, from here we will end the practice with one pranama practice, Anulom Vilom, alternate nostril breathing. So sitting in a comfortable cross-legged position, okay, sit long. You can take your right hand, right thumb and pinky finger out. Rest your right thumb on your right nostril and breathe in through your left. Close the left, breathe out through your right. Continue, breathe in through your right. Breathe out through your left. Breathe in through your left. Breathe out through your right. Breathe in through your right. Breathe out through your left. And breathe in through your left. And breathe out through your right. One more, breathe in through your right. And breathe out through your left. You can release your hands, let your eyes be closed for a few seconds. You can take a moment to observe all the changes you feel in your body and your mind. Before you open your eyes, if you want to visualize what kind of day you want to have today, or you want to tell yourself anything positive, or you want to set any intention for your day ahead, just go ahead and do it. And if you're ready to end the practice, rub your palms and feel the warmth of your palms, taking in all the positive energy back in your body, gently on your eyes, on your shoulders, on your arms, on your stomach, on your legs. Take your hands back at the heart center. Take one deep breath before you open your eyes. Breathe in through your nose. Breathe out through your nose. gently open your eyes. So we are done with the practice for today. I hope you enjoyed this short yoga sequence to start your day with. I have many more yoga practices like this on my channel. Feel free to try them. There are 10 minutes, 15 minutes, 20 minutes, 30 minutes, 45 minutes. So depending on how much time you have, you can practice the yoga accordingly and start your day with yoga and feel the difference in your body and mind. And do subscribe to my channel. I am posting new videos every week here for your home practice. It's completely free. I hope I see you again. Thank you so much. Namaste.